For over a decade, Wartens has been at the forefront of industrial automation, cementing its reputation as a global authority. From innovative training to cutting-edge automation solutions, Wartens leads the industry with expertise, innovation, and a commitment to shaping the future. Global presence. Wartens operates in 4 key regions: India, the UK, the UAE, and the USA, delivering world-class solutions in each of these dynamic markets. Our motto: innovate, educate, automate. At Wartens, we believe in a future driven by innovation, learning, and efficiency. Innovate, developing cutting-edge products and conducting advanced R&D and VR-based training and AI-driven industry solutions. Educate, educating young professionals in industries with state-of-the-art knowledge in automation technologies for the future. Automate, leveraging advanced technologies to automate industries, making them future-ready and resilient. Internationally approved training. Wartens is globally recognized for our exceptional training in PLC SCADA systems, setting industry standards for excellence and practical expertise. Specialized subsidiaries. Through specialized entities, Wartens delivers precise, tailored solutions in the ever-evolving automation landscape. Each subsidiary focuses on a distinct area of automation, ensuring depth of knowledge and unmatched service. Wartens milestones, shaping the future of industrial automation, a timeline of our success. 2013. Wartens is founded in Bangalore, India, specializing in industrial automation training. 2015. Awarded the prestigious ISO 9001-2015 certification. 2017. Launched Wartens Automation Private Limited Company for industrial automation projects and integration. 2018. Expanded into industrial automation consulting in Dubai. 2020. Introduced TrainingKeyandPLC.com, providing online PLC and SCADA training worldwide. 2022. Opened industrial automation consultancy services in Dover, Delaware. 2023. Established a consultancy base in London for European operations. 2023. Founded SCADA in the UK, specializing in automation recruitment. Launched Yumi, a cutting-edge VR-based industry training platform. 2024. Introduced Roboted for the sale and rental of industrial robots. Wartens Services. Training. Wartens offer comprehensive courses in industrial automation, PLC, SCADA and robotics, ensuring that professionals are equipped with both theoretical knowledge and hands-on experience. Recruitment. Wartens connects industries with top-tier automation professionals, matching businesses with the right talent. Wartens implements complex automation systems for industries, delivering seamless solutions tailored to their needs. Skilled engineers for permanent and contract roles. Wartens knows the importance of skilled engineers in industrial automation. Wartens provides highly trained engineers for both permanent and contract positions, including PLC programmers, automation engineers, and other specialized roles. These engineers drive efficiency and innovation in every project. Wartens engineers work across industries such as manufacturing, logistics, warehousing, and healthcare, among others. At Wartens, the company is more than just a training and automation provider. Wartens is building the future of industrial automation with innovation, education, and top-tier talent. Whether clients are looking for training, recruitment, or system integration, Wartens is the trusted partner for all things automation.